There's plenty to like about Apple AirPods 3, no wires to get tangled, automatic pairing with Apple devices, good battery life, and solid audio performance. But there are two things not to like. There's the premium price tag and the fact that they can fall out of your ears so easily. But before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Do you love the sound, look, and feel of your Apple AirPods 3, but they keep slipping out of your ears? Your AirPods slowly creep out of your ears until you can barely hear the audio, then, unless you catch them in the nick of time, they fall out. The problem becomes especially frustrating if you're exercising, sweating, or simply moving your head around. This limitation was corrected with the AirPods Pro, which offer an in-canal design with 3 sets of replaceable tips for small, medium, and large ear canal sizes. But those with regular AirPods 3 still face this dilemma. If you are having trouble keeping your AirPods 3 from falling out and are considering giving up and getting a different pair of earbuds, then you're at the right place. Before giving up on the AirPods 3, there are some simple solutions that might get them to fit properly. Therefore, you may not need to go out and pay for another pair of earbuds after all. The first solution is to wear them properly. This is done by inserting the AirPods stem down into your ears first, then twist the AirPods until they're parallel with your jawline. This should give you a better, stabler fit. If this still doesn't work, move on to applying waterproof tape. Add some extra friction to the inside of your ears. The waterproof tape will also help keep the AirPods in when things get sweaty. A great example of quality waterproof tape is Nextcare Absolute Waterproof First Aid Tape. Applying 2 small strips above and underneath the center side should do the trick. The second solution, you'll need some waterproof tape. The Nextcare 3M brand is typically recommended, and it's sticky and durable. Next, you'll need a regular hole punch to cut out circular pieces or scissors to cut out rectangular strips of tape. Stick a piece of tape near the top and another one at the bottom of each earbud, close to where the AirPods stick in your ears. Place the AirPods in your ears, then move around and do some exercise or go for a jog. The AirPods 3 should remain in your ear thanks to the raised surface of the tape. The best part of this trick is that your AirPods will still fit in the charging case even with the tape on them. Keeping your AirPods clean is important not only for your ears' health but to keep them fitting nicely. Simply wiping the AirPods will keep them clean for a while, but eventually there will be dirt and earwax built up inside the grills. This won't come off by simply wiping it. The best way to get this out is by using some fun tack and toothpicks. Granted, this requires a gentle touch. Use warmed-up tack to press against the hollow speaker and then pull it off. This should remove most of the dirt stuck between the mesh of the speaker. Use the toothpicks then to gently remove hardened pieces that did not come off with the tack. Once you're done, you can use some isopropyl alcohol 70% and a toothbrush to get the rest of the dirt. This should leave your AirPods looking brand new and fitting nicely. Another solution is AHA-style silicone ear hooks cover are compatible with both Apple AirPods and AirPods. Slipping over your AirPods, each cover comes with a little hook that catches and hangs onto your ears so they stay put. The covers include the necessary cutouts so they won't interfere with the sound or operation of your AirPods. As with similar covers, you must remove these to put your AirPods back in the charging case. Fortunately, AHA-style covers are not too difficult to put on or take off. With a brand as large as Apple, many manufacturers quickly caught on and created solutions to stop a pair of AirPods from falling out. There are some great products and we suggest trying them if the previous solutions didn't work. The AirBuddies Ultra ear hooks and covers are great for active users who want to stop their earbuds from falling out whilst running or at the gym. Sure, the ear hooks aren't for everybody, and some users feel that ear hooks cause discomfort, but they're the most secure of all the products currently available.